The health of the Shiba Inu is improving. Despite our worst fears, the recent decline in the market was far smaller than expected. Some important facts regarding Shiba Inus were revealed. Recent sales of Shiba Inus have topped $150 billion. In preparation for the biggest Shiba Inu event of the year, the Shiba Inu Development Group has issued a final warning. Whales are acting in ways they never have before. What exactly is happening though? Also, why are we supposed to be excited? Okay, I'll try to clarify. Your daily dose of Shiba is here with Wealthy Coins. For all your Shiba-related questions, this is the place to be. Sign up if you want to remain abreast of the crypto industry's newest developments and get the most recent news predictions. Hit that like button if you want to see more SHIB news stories. Following yesterday's wild market crash, things are slowly starting to turn around, especially when it comes to Shiba Inus. Regardless, I have some interesting data for you. The most recent market decline was deliberate. In fact, that was a really promising sign. Indeed, that does sound completely insane. As a result of this crash, rumors have begun to circulate that Shiba Inus are poised to see a meteoric rise in popularity. What you were thinking is now crystal clear to me. In that case, how could anything possibly make sense? Shiba Inu took a tumble as the market nosedived. I'm stating it's positive today. It may appear completely backwards, but bear with me to the end of the video. I'll explain what's happened over the past few days and why this might be the biggest market move in a long time. I got it. The crypto market went into complete chaos yesterday during the trading session, and that was the beginning of all this. A total of $1.5 billion in long and short bets were lost. And Shiba Inus were not an exception either. It took a serious beating. Shiba Inu prices fell over 20%, hitting lows not seen since late November. For those holding on to the hope of recovery, it's a bitter pill to swallow. Things get considerably more heated from here on out. According to Into the Blocks Unchained statistics, whales sold about 1 trillion Shiba Inu coins in a single day. The total value of the Shiba Inus lost is about $30 million. The community was understandably rattled by this type of sell-off. Witnessing whales unloading to that extent, coupled with a precipitous decline in price, makes it hard to remain calm. It appeared like the end was near for a lot of people. Plus, yesterday's victim wasn't a Shiba Inu. Cryptocurrency as a whole, including Bitcoin, took a dive. Things get interesting though at this point. Despite the relentless decline in value, the world's leading asset management, BlackRock, did not record any withdrawals from the exchange-traded fund ETF market in the past 12 days. In fact, their streak of inflows was prolonged. According to statistics provided by Farsight Investor, BlackRock's ETF had an unprecedented influx of $394 million on Monday. That is more involved than just making a few small purchases. It's a big deal. Although BlackRock's purchases during market downturns are not unusual, the magnitude of these inflows it suggests that this was a more significant market decline than usual. This was an enormous and unique object. It also shows that we need to be considerably more vigilant. And you know what? Your request was fulfilled. We continued to descend and encountered some strange stuff. Keep an eye out for what's coming up next. Believe me, an analytics firm called Spot On Chain discovered earlier today that a whale invested heavily in Shiba Inu by purchasing 150 billion tokens. Neither was this an investment based on pure chance. This whale decided to come back after making a killing on Shiba Inu earlier this year. This whale reportedly spent $4 million in just 1 hour, amassing more than 112. It took 9 different wallets for them to pull out this massive purchase. That is not all either. The whale owns almost $7 million in stablecoins, and has also bought a slew of other nasty currencies. According to Spot On Chain, people are still buying a lot of stuff. This is the most important thing. When it returned on the 31st of March, the same whale sold an incredible $530 billion Shiba Inu, leaving a profit of more than $8 million less than a month later. At this same moment, they are returning to load Shiba Inus. This signal is really powerful. This is no ordinary whale. Rather, it is a confirmed whale with a history of substantial success with Shiba Inu and an excellent grasp of market timing. Someone with this kind of history reinvesting millions of dollars shouldn't be taken lightly. Something major may be about to happen, and this is only a hint. The whales are acting irrationally at the moment, and it's probably because of a critical market signal that emerged following last collapse. A Twitter user shared a graph illustrating the dominance of Bitcoin. Plus, it changes everything. The chart shows that the current market conditions are indicative of a consolidation phase. which has traditionally preceded the launch of a full-scale altcoin season. You shouldn't be worried, altcoin holders. Here we are exactly duplicating past mistakes. Without warning, a light bulb goes off. The anticipation of an altcoin season has been building for what feels like an endless period of time. Finally, validation is being provided by historical measures. All the indications and timing are in sync. There is solid cause for the growing enthusiasm. It seems like something big is about to begin for those who have been hanging on through all the storms. Even the current panic sellers provide entertainment for some of them. Even among the most popular digital currencies, Shiba Inu may come out on top. Seems like the Shiba Inu gang is already gearing up for the next big Bitcoin crash. A fascinating event happened recently on Lucy's Twitter. Interesting fact: if you have everything you own in Eco, you won't be let down. There are multiple airdrops on their way, and all you have to do is hold on. Be guided by Satoshi Kusama. Many of his tweets contain hints. Something enormous is about to happen, and Satoshi appears to be right in the thick of it. According to this subtle but clear hint, one of Satoshi's recent tweets in particular has gone viral. Take heart, my friend. The vast majority of people will love you no matter what. Strange things happen when you meet someone who is a black mirror. They force you to take stock of your life, accept responsibility for your flaws, and come out stronger or weaker than before. At first glance, it can seem like a meditative piece. Nonetheless, its importance grows. In light of Lucy's previous remarks on the need of being patient, the suggestion that Satoshi is making regarding Shiba Inu appears to be substantially broader in scope. A challenge, a transformation, and at last an enlightenment. This tweet captures the current state of the market and the ecology of Shiba Inu. Holders have had to deal with fear and uncertainty during this challenging journey. However, as Satoshi pointed out, if we can get beyond these challenges, we might end up with something stronger. Everything lines up with our expectations for the future. The future is bright for Shiba Inu. It is possible that success will come to those who stick to the road. In light of these and other signs, Shiba Inu is positioning itself to ride the wave on a massive scale. The whale's massive invasion of Shiba Inu is starting to make sense. Perhaps they are seeing the same promise in this place. Strategic planning brought about by a perfect storm of Shiba Inu ecology and market developments. Things are heating up right now. And now the analysts are chiming in with their gigantic Shiba Inu predictions. A market analyst has predicted that Shiba Inu sales will soar 1,700% in the next year. For good reason, everyone is wondering, how high can it go? According to Crypto Elites, a prominent crypto watcher, the answer for Shiba Inu is quite high. A chart showing the weekly chart of Shiba Inu creating a cup and handle pattern was just posted by Crypto Elites. Something quite hopeful. This trend has been observed throughout 3 years of activity, typically suggesting a considerable increase. According to their findings, Shiba Inu is expected to break through significant levels of resistance that have been holding it back since late 2021. It may even reach previously unseen heights. Nevertheless, there is an asterisk. The future of alternative cryptocurrencies like Shiba Inu is dependent on Bitcoin's waning dominance. This is corroborated by the data as well. As Bitcoin's market share continues to fall, conditions are perfect for altcoin growth. Curiously, Crypto is also making other really important calls. A number of industry watchers have predicted that, barring unforeseen changes in the market and ecological trends, Shiba Inu might reach premium prices by the year 2025. So, what does this mean for Shiba Inu owners today? Following the prior incident, it elucidates the excitement and commotion surrounding Shiba Inu. A major historic event may be possible, and people are starting to realize this. This optimistic and speculative climate is exactly what the market needs to recover. A lot of people are getting real